Hi everyone, welcome back again. This is the third video of this tutorial series, and in this video, I'm going to cover about how we can send the purchase event to web container to server container. Already, I sent the add to cart and the begin checkout and the view item that is in according to Snapchat, that is start checkout, view content and the add cart. Okay, already I sent these three event data from the web container to server container, and in this video I'm going to cover how we can send the purchase event data from the web container to server container. Okay, and if I go to the variable section, actually I need some variable for the user address, user info. Already I create those variable for the user address, city, country and the all of the thing, last name, first name and the zip code and the state, country, all of the thing already I created in my data layer section and already I show you. Okay, then if I go to the tag section, then I have to copy on of this tag. Let's copy this on of my tag, then it should save my time. And then I have to call the purchase trigger here. This is the purchase trigger, and if I look at here, there already I have the event name, event id, event time and the external id and the click id and the cookie on, event source url and the action source, integration, first party collection, content category, id, content type and the items and the currency value. All of the parameter is here, and if I look at this parameter section, then I can see there are then some user data parameters, that is email address, phone number, first name, last name and the gender, city and the state. Okay, and the state and the zip code and the country. Okay, this is the user information that is not here, in this tag, because for the begin checkout and add cart and the view item, user information is not available, but for the purchase, user information is available, because when someone place an order, they must be put their info on the checkout page for the as a shipping address or as a payment address or payment info. Okay, that's why the user data is available for the purchase event. Okay, that's why I have to send the user information with the purchase event. That I already copy one of my tag, that is begin checkout, and in Pinterest it's start checkout. No worry, if I send the begin checkout event from the web container to server container, then Snapchat will convert the event as a start checkout. Okay, then I have to change the event name here. Sorry, there should be purchase like this. Okay, I have to copy it and have to change here, and also I need to put here some additional parameter for the user information. Okay, and have to send this user information like this way, and this is the pattern for the user information to send from the web container to server container. If I want to send the email address from the web container to server container with the purchase event, then I have to write the event parameter like this: user underscore data, then dot email underscore address. Okay, then I have to call here the email variable, email data layer variable. Then I have to call here the phone number, but phone number is not available in my case, because this is I am working with a demo store. That's why in the checkout step, phone number is not available. But when you will work your real project and your client project, then I guess you have the phone number option, then you can place the phone number in this step. Okay, but I have to put the first name, and if I want to send the first name, then I have to write exactly this way: user data dot address dot first name. Okay, then I have to call here the first name. Okay, then I have to paste here the last name. Okay, this is the last name, and this is the city. Okay, city, and then it's region. Okay. Then I have to send the postal code, that is that means zip code. Then I have to send the country. Okay. Already I have I created all of the variable for this user information. I have to call here the country and have to call here the zip code variable. Okay, then I have to call here the region variable. That's mean I create the variable, called state. This is same thing, region and state is same thing, that's why I name this variable state. And I have to call here the city variable. Okay, then the last name here. Okay, then have to change the tag name here. Okay, I can copy the event name from here, then replace the begin checkout with purchase, then have to save this tag. Okay, now everything is done from the web container. Okay, and already I send this 5 event data from the web container to server container. Okay, in the workspace, let me show you. And this is the add to cart, begin checkout, that's when start checkout, and the page view and the purchase and the view item. Okay, all of the necessary event already I send from the web container to server container. And already I add the Snapchat pixel for that to cart, add cart, purchase, start checkout, and view content event. Okay, and in the next video I will show you how we can send these send this 5 event data. In the next video I will show you how we can send this 5 event data from this server container to Snapchat. Okay, already I send this 5 event data to from the web container to server container, and in the next video I will show you how we can send this 5 event data from this web server container to Snapchat using Snapchat conversion API. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, hopefully you understand, and thanks for watching.